retired officer, JB. I'm already 65 years. I retired in 2018. Today I'm talking at my cousin sister, who is called Acholi Judith, and also retired Madam. We are both of us Arabini administrators in Agago district. And Agago district is a part of Uganda, and we can be also a teacher in everywhere, even in the rural, because we have people who are in English, and we have been ruled by British. I know the Zaman we are using in direct rule, they are very aggressive. We are being ruled by British, and we behave like British, and even our dressing and our attire. So God, I'm talking that officer. I'm called Ocen JB. I've been a teacher of primary. I also taught in the secondary school. I know I've been talking to Bagwere and the maternity section, which is called gynecology. I know because I came from my mother. I know I'm a son of my mother, not the son of my father. All the Bagisu say that my father is the one who put me. I know my wife, my mother, I stay in a room. That's my house. That's a garden wedding.
So you talk. Can you talk big English? Vocabulary.
I talk because I'm the party of Uganda.
What about the vocabulary?
And I know sort persona and pardata with meaning Italian because I'm a Catholic.
Are those the only big English you know?
Because the language where I learned, I studied 36 books. Now I can tell you I released. I studied Fatima College, grade 2, from 76 or 79. That's the meantime. We somebody really at this minimum killing people very many of them. And then he killed him and father young in a mission. I was not happy. I ran because I ran on the lake. Because I don't necessarily ran on foot. Because that there's one night where there was no vehicle. After Batwa, then later on when I finished, I completed 79 as a grade 2. Now I live in Rosalo. I became even a grade 5. And I don't stop in primary. I went out to I leave myself in Banyabindi. I became a grade 5. I passed the first class diploma, and I was admitted in the government institution, which is called Kiambo University. But because my child was going to university, even it's around now. Because I said it's Zani, I possess graduate. My English is not very bad because I speak like Acholi by birthright. But only that I want to cocoon myself. But you see, I already all of us on. But I just want to be RTC or we can pay it because I'm still competent. I can be teaching because I qualify in geography and RI. I'm very competent in Patongo. I taught it 7 years from 1993. The only time when I did a lead, the local Dolo. Those were intelligent place and also intelligent person. I came with intelligent family. Now I talk to my cousin sister, Acholi Judith, and we are hated even in this time when we are chatting even our administration. And we even did fight and we tired government gave me benefit. I thank the government. So long live the government him because he has no different. Because he couldn't have paying us now. Long live government because there are no war. The government don't deserve us. Even other people who are even they are threatening us at night. But the government is trying to subdue them. Because now we are okay and we test ourselves. But only that we want our people who are retired people to be given more benefits. So that because we are still have our orphans, we have other people who are destined to us, like our grandchildren. I'm even paying them. Very little money is not enough. And we are not building a good decent house. If you can see, the government can give me respect. The other people who drink their money. But me, I build because I have 2 wives. I have 23 children. Because I even the government, I'm still company. The government will give me some job where I can stay and I talk and I write something, and so that I can learn something, so that I go to my destiny. Oh, God help me. I'm a teacher of RI. I know I'm a Catholic. I'm a religious person. Even though I don't come like a priest because my time will not come. I anyone can be a catechist Because see, the countries have been given even a time. So if government can build us houses to remember us on the good thing, even during the regime, these are not politicians. And they have become a politician because they say these are not politicians. I have been respecting my position because of my professionalism. You see, after now, I even ask my children to become like me. But still, they saw the problem that I had in education, that the education is a poor person. But I see, I paid him. But I tell them that something can be else, something can be.
So do you know money?
I know them because they.
Do you know money?
That deal is very bad. It's very serious. Because the zealous people of Gago, because they now we said we are Ghana, who are the most high learned. I don't know what caliber the government is saying because I heard of this. There are no evidence, but the people are fearing us because the people are saying these are rumors. You know these are rumors. They can say you can tell people because of the what, but the way the evidence. You see the unit was not there. The unit that time Bagwere was there because they even was not even say Bagwere University. Even English too.
So what about big vocabulary that people say you know? Can you talk?
Which I learned from a literature. Let me take from a literature when I was in Fatima College because I read that book. The book where I learned so much. It say, "Cry my beloved country," and then there was the African child by Camarada, and then there's another because the book we call it the Black Table. The West African, and then they call first man Kenya, and then another one they call it Congo Vine, and then another one they call the River Between, and then was the I don't know the other books. That was the Bible farm, which I cannot remember because how can a pig become even the big people when a pig is very stupid. It actually say when they say the potatoes is very ripe, they say the fat potato should be given to the chicken. The chicken has no intelligence because when they use their invisible intelligence, even animal knows. Because I know how they go what that dog. A dog is very close to man because dog is a male. And you want to get no done. Because they are not a dog. A dog is what's a human being. Because the system in the dog is like a human, like a pig. A pig is very stupid. But the international line, when you see like a human being, I've not seen a human being with a day. But people say, but I know about the called man. So I'm talking like an old person. So I can talk because I know a policeman. Because you see, even my cousins I can talk. You know, I was very intelligent because we had born twins. The OP is alive and I bought us alive. It's only we left somebody family. I have two wives. OP has one wife. You see, I come in can help me because as a company, I want to teach. I want to teach. Though my vision is not very far, but government should help me build me a house because of government. I'm not a politician. I don't need any discrimination with the government because I don't need the government. I am like somebody, a woman who can be raised in his right because now a woman. You see, I like people now to become a teacher because teachers are going to be depleted. Like a Simon, like a what we say. There is a what because there are no the history in my P5. There was a damn thing there where we had in mind. I don't know. Judy can allow me. See, because this woman now don't know. This is geography which can be depleted because we know that there are also new inventions.
Can you tell us something about quantum mechanics, artificial intelligence, and psychopatric hologram?
Because I beg your pardon.
Can you tell us something about hologram and quantum mechanics?
Because you say hologram, which means your stomach is very hollow. Because I don't know. Because the new technology. I can know what is kupam. You tell me but hologram because I don't know what is hollow. Because that one isn't. Listen, can you tell me another thing? Because I know new technology.
I said quantum mechanics. What about it?
No, quantity mean
quantum.
quantitatitis because I know quantitatitis and qualitatitis. Because if I speak English like that, you may not understand. Because you people now, you are blocked.
So, should I ask you geography question?
Yes.
Now, what was the cause of the split between Gondwanaland and Pantalasa?
Because I know when God created the world was one, and they say in the first book of Moses, because
is that on geography? That's not Bible.
No, that's biblical. Because because geography and geography they go together. That's why my combination. I know geography. There's no story of creation, but in the Bible. There are 5 books of Moses, which is called the Pentateuch, because those books are written by Moses. Moses is a very wise person. God inspired Moses, and this book, which is called Bible, is not God. They get to heaven to write. People who are inspired, and they were given the wisdom to write. And Moses wrote the 5 books, which is called Pentateuch. And then there are 5 books over in the New Testament. This is a new Torah.
What message can you send to Rorachana?
Rorachana is like an Old Testament where the kings were talking about the life and the death. You see, because the Kara is talking of the people, the present and the dead, because he knows what the dead are doing to us. When the person dies, he's living. I know Achana is going to be a dead person, and he's going to be inherited. Because Achana even was not the first king, was not the first ruler of Acholi. And he been inherited, and there are very many spirits of the dead king, which are being inspired by him. Yes.
So, can you tell us, since you said you're a geographer, can you tell us the continental drift belt theory?
Yes, because the world was round, and then when God created the world, and there was 40 days rain, and then the world was one, and I got it, and I say, okay, the Paris people, and then the world was around, and I must see when you see the world is full of water, and then there are few land, which is called continents. There are 5 continents, and when God stopped even the raining, and then the world was round. The world was null and void. And then the world went the world around, and then there was also what we call now the intermingle of the underneath of the rock, and then there were collision, and then interaction, which is called volcanicity. And that thing and the process was brought those things. And then the earthquake, another thing, which had been undermined, and they don't read, which I mean is about 1 million temperature degrees. And after now, we still have the collision of the plates. And the world is made of species, like the human body made of cell. And the world is like that. So there is movement and collision of the cell underneath the wall. And that's what brought. And then there was continent, drift, which means breaking and far away. When you bring the big soul, and you see that they are fight. When you bring the continent Asia, you bring Africa, you bring India, you bring North America, South America, and you make it, and then other seas, then you make the world. And we say that's what we call continental drift. So the world was breaking because of the forces underneath. Up to now, the volcanicity, and then the earthquakes, and then what we call the collision and the movement of the plates underneath. Which means we still have forces. Even now, God is still doing, and there is still very hot, even in water.